Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I made another t-shirt. I do make t-shirts on the side, so I wanted to make this one for my boss because his birthday is coming up. So the team and I decided on this shirt to make for him. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Okay, so I'm going to start off in Google, and I'm just looking for the thumbs kind of like pointing at myself. I found these, so then I just saved it to my computer here. So next I'm gonna go into Design Space. I'm gonna go down here to upload, click on that, upload image, and then I'm gonna browse, and as you can see it's right here. So I'm gonna click on that and click open, and we'll do simple. And I'm also gonna click in here, that way I don't get just this outlining of the hand cut out. I also want this cut out as well. So I'm going to click each one and make sure to get all pieces, because sometimes you can miss some pieces and then it won't look as good. So this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna save it as a cut image. Here I'll just put hands. You don't have to name it, but I'm just gonna do it just because. And then the picture will end up here. Next I'm gonna go into new right here at the top, and then I'm gonna do a text. So I click on text, it'll bring up this little text box, and then I'll go into fonts. And then I'm going to go into system, because those are the ones that are free and the ones that you download. If you do download your own fonts, they'll be in this section as well. So I'm going to look for a text that's bold, that way it stands out more. Let's try this one. Okay, so I'm going to move this up here, and I'm going to go here to letter space and bring it down a little bit. That way it brings them a little closer together, the letters. And I also want to curve this one just a bit. I'm going to go back into text. So then from here I will go to make it. So now I'm going to go to this mirror button, because it is an iron-on. I'm going to flip it. Okay, so I have everything printed out right here. Okay, so now I'm going to weed out the corners. And I already have my heat press heating up for this vinyl. I believe it's 205 degrees. Some vinyls are different, so you're going to want to check with the type of vinyl that you have. So I'm just going to peel away, starting at the corner. That way it'll just leave all of the font. Okay, so this is the shirt that I'm using. I'm gonna press it to get the moisture out. I'm actually gonna fold it in half. That way, while I'm getting the moisture out, I'm also finding the center point of the shirt. So I'm just gonna put this over, and then I'll press it just for a few seconds. See, and there's already our center line. So then what I like to do is fold this in half and get the center point for this. So just squeeze the top and then the bottom. Because this is an adult shirt, I like to do about 3 inches off of the top, and I'm gonna center this right here. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the heat press and press it down for 15 seconds. Okay. Just like that. We're going to put the Teflon over. Okay, press down, set the timer. It's already on 15 seconds. Alrighty, so we're just going to let it cool down for a few seconds, and then we will add the hands. Now that this has cooled off, we're going to peel this plastic off. And then we are going to add the hands. I'm just going to get the plastic that went over the lettering just to be on the safe side. It's always good to be on the safe side. Cover it up, put the Teflon paper over, and then press it for 15 seconds. And I kept saying that the temperature was 205. I meant 305, so I did end up changing it. Okay. And then we're going to let this cool, and then we'll peel it off. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And click the little bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified every time I upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.